So right now I'm going to show you a little bit about using Blogger. I know most of you are probably already proficient, but in case there are things that you're wondering about, it's pretty easy. So again, starting from the Google homepage and assuming that you've logged in. If you haven't, you need to log in. But you click on your My Account, find the Blogger link here under your services. And again, if that's not showing up there, go to the Try Something New, click on More, and add it in. Um, but so you click on Blogger, and it will take you through and automatically load you into your Blogger dashboard. And that's the place where you manage your blogs. And so if you have a bunch of blogs, then um, there's a lot to manage. I have quite a few that I've used for different purposes and things like that. But whichever blog you're using, if you have more than one, just find the name of it here, like this one, the Dog's Body Chronicles, for instance. And then there's this handy place where you just click on New Post. So you click there, it gives you the page where you have some word processing controls that you can use. And I understand that the spell check hasn't been working perfectly for everybody. That's something that happens. Um, but so you just type and click on the publish post when you're done. Um, you can always edit your posts after you've posted them. You can make changes to how comments work on your blog. So those are the things that you can do underneath this tab for posting. Under settings, there are lots of things that you can do. Um, you can give it a title. You can change the title and the description, and whether or not it's listed among the blogger.com blogs. Whether your search engines can search your blog and things. Um, you know, the quick editing is if you're watching your blog, you can, or looking at your blog, you can edit it right there. Stuff like that. Um, you know, uh, so these global settings and things like that that you can change as well. So click save if you've changed any of those things. If you don't want your blog anymore, you can delete it. So there's all sorts of options here. Um, there's stuff about publishing, things about formatting, commenting, archives, your site's feed, which is something I'll talk about in a different one of these little uh, tutorial things. And so you can just sort of click around in these things. Anything you change, you can always change back. So don't be afraid that you're going to break something. The template, just like when you set your blog up, you can make changes to. You can pick a new template. You can rearrange things. You can edit the stuff that's at the top, the bottom, around to the sides, all those sorts of things. You can change the colors of the fonts and things like that. Whoops, sorry about that. And so those sorts of things are things that you can mess around with. You can always click on this button, the View Blog button, to see what the blog looks like. And if you right-click on it, you can also open it like in a new tab or a new window, so that you can still be working on your stuff at the same time as you're, and look at what's happening with it. So that's sort of a quick and dirty way to use Blogger.